Bitcoin being worth something on the order of $500,000 literally in only a couple of years from now. Do you stand by that? How does this ETF change that, speed that up, slow it down? What do you think?
Yes, so you'll find in our big ideas, so that's at arc-invest.com, the building blocks for our price forecast. And our base case is in the $600,000 range. Our bull case, and we think the probability of the bull case has increased with this SEC approval. This is a green light. Our bull case is $1.5 million by 2030. You can see the building blocks. You can see how conservative we are in terms of those building blocks. This is a big idea. It is the first global, decentralized, digital, rules-based, critical there, rules-based monetary system in history.
Hey, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to CryptoJournal, your go-to source for all things crypto. Today, we've got some exciting news to discuss. The historic approval of 11 spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. This marks a significant milestone for the crypto market, opening new avenues for institutional investment. But the big question is, which cryptocurrencies are set to follow suit? Stick around as we explore the potential contenders for the next wave of spot ETFs. Bitcoin ETF approval. First things first, let's talk about the big news, the SEC's approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. This green light is expected to unleash tens or even hundreds of billions of institutional dollars into the Bitcoin markets. But what's next? Which other digital assets are likely to receive spot ETF approval? Potential candidates. According to industry experts and insiders, Ethereum is at the forefront, with Wall Street giant BlackRock filing for approval to list a spot Ethereum ETF. However, there's a twist. The Chief Investment Officer, CIO, of Valkyrie, suggests that an XRP Ripple ETF might beat Ethereum to the approval finish line, thanks to its regulatory clarity. But that's not all. Keep an eye on Polkadot, Chainlink, and what some call the #1 Ethereum killer, Solana. These altcoins are also poised to strengthen the approved spot ETF lineup, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF holdings. Now, let's take a quick look at BlackRock, one of the major players in the financial world. Their iShares. Bitcoin Trust had a stellar first trading day, surpassing $4.5 billion in volume. As of now, BlackRock holds around 2,720 BTC, valued at more than $120 million. With such a successful debut, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink has expressed interest in expanding the firm's digital asset footprint, hinting at a potential spot Ethereum ETF in the future.
I believe it goes up if the world is more frightened, if people have fearful of geopolitical risk, they're fearful of their own risk. It's no different than what gold represented over thousands of years. It is a asset class that protects you. Right. And unlike gold, where we manufacture new gold, we're almost at the ceiling of the amount of Bitcoin that we created.
When you hear somebody like Cathie Wood,
yes,
who was on our broadcast yesterday, say that her base case is that this turns into a $600,000 a Bitcoin valuation, base case, and a million plus in a super optimistic case. Are you anywhere in her realm?
I haven't thought about it. To me, that what we are trying to do is offer an instrument that can store wealth. I think if it gets that even close to that high, gold will represent even a bigger value. And let's be clear, if you think it's digital gold, there's going to be a reference point between gold and Bitcoin.
ETH's recent performance. Interestingly, as the buzz around Ethereum's potential ETF debut grows, Ether's price has surged more than 20% against Bitcoin in the last 72 hours. This shift in momentum has caught the attention of traders and analysts, with some suggesting that Ethereum could continue to outperform Bitcoin in the coming months. The approval of Bitcoin ETFs has set the stage for a potential influx of institutional capital into the crypto market. As we eagerly await the developments around the spot ETFs for other cryptocurrencies, make sure to stay tuned to, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, happy investing.